There's a reason why Italian wines are almost always associated with food. With two reds here that just seem to twinkle with juicy fruits and herbs on the nose and palate, we've just got to pair them up with something. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy dish that can be used as a base to improvise over. We're going with a simple vodka cream sauce that can be served over pasta, rice, and even polenta. And you can top this dish with virtually any additional ingredient of your choosing. The beauty of this dish is that it uses basic Italian staples that you probably already have in your pantry or refrigerator. We'll start by getting some pasta water going. And while we wait for that, we're going to coarsely chop 1 medium onion, mince about 4 cloves of garlic, and chiffonade some fresh basil. Let's get that pasta going. And in a Dutch oven over medium heat, some olive oil and our onions go in first. After about 5 minutes, we're adding the garlic, tomato paste, red pepper flakes, and after a few moments, we deglaze with some vodka. Add crushed tomatoes and cook some more. And when the mixture is nice and thick, add some heavy cream. Reserve some water from the pasta and then strain it and add it into your sauce. Mix in Parmesan cheese, using the reserve water to thin things out if needed. And then we plate it, garnish with some extra cheese, basil, and a drizzle of olive oil if you like. And for an extra layer of flavor, I'm adding some sweet Italian sausage. The tomatoes in this dish deliver a punch of acidity that's going to match the energy of both of these very acidic wines. The cream will soften it up a bit and add some protein to the pairing, which should help take the tannins down a notch. And the basil will bring out some of the more herbaceous qualities of these wines too. In total, this takes about 20 minutes to make, and it keeps very well. You can even freeze it for later. And I hope you do save a little for our live virtual tasting that's coming up in just a few weeks. Be sure to get your wines and reserve your spot at WTSO.com. I can't wait to see you there. Chin chin.